God is saying, my beloved child, I want you to talking to me. In the next month, I will shower you with the significant benefits and affection that you are worthy of, says. God says, my dear child, you missed many signs. Don't miss this one. Watch this video till the end. To know how great my love is for you. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. I will never leave nor forsake you. If you hate your life, give it to me. I will make it beautiful. I am with you when you are in depth of sorrow. I will protect you from all danger. I can take all your broken pieces and turn them into something beautiful. Type Amen if you believe. My child, you will give so much hope to so many people when they see how much you overcome and still came out on the top. Like this video, 11 out of 11. Soon someone is going to look at you like you are the best thing in the world. But they who wait for the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up. With wings like eagles they shall run, and not be weary. They shall walk, and not faint. Isaiah 40:31. You're going to see a major turnaround in your life. The year of 2024 is going to be one of the best chapters of your life. You're attracting financial freedom and unconditional love. Watch this video till the end to claim your breakthrough. Something big is about to happen for you. Your dream slowly unfolds itself. A miracle is happening right now. The big dreams are coming true. This is going to be one of the best weeks of your life. Your dream life is manifesting right before your eyes. You're attracting unconditional love, romance, miracles, abundance, financial freedom, money, exciting opportunities, and real love. The year of the dragon is going to be full of big blessings. The month of March is going to be one of the best months of your life. March is that month where you finally see all your hard work pay off. A month of great opportune needs, more inner peace, more breakthroughs, more creativity, more happiness, and more harmony. This month is going to be a really great month. You're attracting unconditional love, romance, miracles, abundance, financial freedom, money, exciting opportunities, and real love. The year of the dragon is going to be full of big blessings. The month of March is going to be one of the best months of your life. Something big is about to happen for you. Your dream slowly unfolds itself. A miracle is happening right now. The big dreams are coming true. God is saying to you today, you're entering a new season where everything will start to go your way. It's time. You had enough lessons. You did the work. You overcame so much. You believed even when it was hard to. You never gave up. You pushed through it all. Now it's your time to receive my blessings in a major way. Type 1111 affirms this. You must learn to trust God's timing. You can be sure that right now, God is arranging all the pieces to come together to work out His plan for your life. He has been working in your favor long before you encountered the problem. Don't grow impatient and try to force doors open. Don't try to make things happen in your own strength. The answer will come, and it will be right on time before God sends you into your next season. He will prepare you. He will remove, and He will also add. Whether it's people, things, old habits, don't expect to move forward without having to leave some things behind. Everything can't go with you. God is saying to you, today, chains are breaking right now. New doors are opening. You're coming out of generational curses, generational limitations, generational struggles, and walking into generational blessings. What's been stored up for your family is about to be released with you. What's been held back is not lost. It's been accumulated. You're coming into a season of greater favor, greater opportunity, and greater influence. March will be a blessed month for you. You will experience consecutive wins, healing, wonderful surprises, new opportunities, financial freedom, and spiritual growth. I declare everything you touch in the month of March will prosper. You have already been approved for your brave through type 22222 affirms this. God is saying to you today, I saw what they did to you. I felt you dealing with it in silence and hurt. I watched how they hated and tried to destroy you. I know it all, but I kept you and watched over you. I have prepared a table in the presence of your enemies. This is your season for blessings, favor, and breakthroughs. I'm going to repay you for the years. The enemy has stolen years. You spent lonely years. You spent being mistreated. You're going to have plenty of joy, plenty of peace, plenty of resources, and plenty of opportunities. Don't even think about giving up. You're going to make it, no matter what it looks like right now. I know you're worried about your finances, your health, and your family. Remember, I always work in your favor. I will bless you today with peace, healing, and victory. If you don't quit, I'm going to bring something beautiful out of this ugly situation. Get ready for your blessings. God is saying to you today, never forget that I am always with you. Through good days and bad days, on mountaintops and in valleys, in joy and in tears, in bless and in trials. Whatever you are going through, I am right there beside you every day, every night, every step of the way. I love you and I won't leave you. God is saying to you today, the blessing coming is even bigger than you were thinking. Watch how I bring you through this storm and restore everything you have lost. I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit in you. I will remove from you your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh. Trust me. It is great to know what desire from each person, but it is necessary to live the way desire for each person. I don't just want you to know that living away from sin is good, and it's what I desire, but I want you to actually live that way. It is easier said than done, but if you commit your life to me every day, it can be done. Type 333, do affirms this. God is saying to you today, God will restore your strength. You're being renewed and refreshed for better days. What the enemy meant for evil, he will turn it around for the good. Everything lost will be repaid. And God will have the last word in your life. In life, you have to accept that some people will not be for you. They are not necessary for you to fulfill your purpose. The most important thing you can do is guard your heart. Don't let the offense, the bitterness, affect you. You do your part, and God will do His part. I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit in you. I will remove from you your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh. Don't give up praying to God. Pray with faith and with a clear mind. The Lord hears what is not spoken and understands that which is not explained. For His love does not work on the lips or in the mind, but on the heart. Things will get better. God is saying to you today that closed door was not a rejection, but a redirection to something bigger and better. Don't look back. God has something amazing in your future. Trust Him through each chapter. You may be thinking that you've wasted years of your life somehow, but it's not over. Trust that I can restore those years. I am the God of hope, even in the midst of challenges and uncertainties. Hold on to the hope I offer. Trust in my promises, for I am faithful. I will bring beauty out of ashes and turn your trials into testimonies. Type 555 to affirms this. God is saying to you today, I am the God of peace in the midst of storms, when life's challenges threaten to overwhelm you. Seek me as your anchor. I will bring calmness and stability to your heart and mind. Trust in me, I am always with you. It may not be fair, but God sees what's going on. He's holding you in the palm of His hand. You have been given grace for every frustration right now. He's breathing in your direction. Keep going. You're almost there. There's a new beginning, right around the corner for you. March will be a big month for you. You will receive unexpected blessings. Good news and miracles all month long. You will be happy again. You will heal. You will grow. You will flourish into the person you were destined to be. You will finally be at peace. But as for me, I will come into thy house in the multitude of thy mercy, and in thy fear will I worship toward thy holy temple. Psalms 5:7. God is saying to you today, everything is going to work out. Things are going to get better. Your life will be better than ever before. This struggle will not last forever. There is a light. At the end of the tunnel, stand firm in your faith. Healing, peace, and blessings are coming your way. You are blessed with divine protection, that angels are watching over you and your children, that you live under the shadow of the Most High, that forces of darkness, of harm, destruction. Calamity cannot get near you, 1,000 may fall at your side, 10,000 at your right hand, but God has a hedge of protection around you. You will live in peace and safety, sheltered in the arms of the shepherd. They're not equipped to support or encourage you. Some blessings bring out jealousy in people you'd never thought possible on this level. You need only those who can handle. Seeing you prosper, your season is come, let no one deceive you with empty words. For because of these things, the wrath of God that comes upon the sons of disobedience, therefore do not become partners with them. For at one time you were darkness, but now you are light in the Lord. Walk as children of light, for the fruit of light is found in all that is good and right and true, and try to discern what is pleasing to the Lord. Ephesians 5:6-10, child of God. Don't let the world fool you. You are right on schedule. The false narrative that you have to have it all together by a certain age or time frame is a lie. We're all different people with our own unique journeys.